I'm SERGE KILEMBE. Welcome and thanks for joining me on this Trading Wall Street TV US Market Weekly Report. We're only gonna focus on weekly charts and use technical analysis, supports and resistance, critical levels and price action, trend lines, channels, simple moving averages. We're gonna look for opportunities on indices, US companies and US dollar index. The Dow Jones, rejection of higher prices, with a kind of shooting star candlestick that indicates a potential reversal. And when we look at the stochastic, we see that we remain in overbought region with a convergence and the moving averages are heading towards the downside. The Nasdaq 100. After 3 weeks of inside week candles and sideways movements, we finally have a close below the 4 weeks moving average. We are starting a divergence between the percentage K and D. So if we are heading towards 4,400 points and break below, the target will be the downtrend channel's support at 3,800 points. And we've noticed a bullish gap at 4,000 points. The S&P 500. First, let's look at the sector's map. Good week for basic materials, healthcare, and financial sector versus bad week for technology, consumer goods, utilities, and mixed performance for the services and industrial goods sector. Now, let's have a look at the weekly chart. After 4 weeks above the downtrend channel's resistance level, we've rejected the 2100 points. As history repeats itself, we have already seen that pattern and setup before. Below the 4 weeks moving average and below 2000 points, the target will be 1800 points. The stochastic is still in overbought region, but we see a convergence, so we might see a range movement for a few weeks. Wait for a direction and a strong decision pattern. The US dollar index. We are moving sideways at $94 of support level. We are in a wedge down. We just close above the 4 weeks moving average. So here we might see higher prices, but we need a catalyst. So the macro data released from the Fed and the ECB will move the US dollar. If the past patterns repeat themselves, the US dollar will gain strength and might go up to the $100 of resistance. We've been in a range since March of 2015. When looking at the stochastic, we are in oversold region. Wait for confirmation above $95 to go bullish or below $94 to short towards $92. Now, let's analyze commodities. First, crude oil WTI. Bullish week, now just below $44 a barrel at the 52 weeks moving average. With $50 a barrel as target, if we break the $45 a barrel resistance, we have the stochastic in overbought region. Brent oil. Same scenario. Bullish week, we clearly see a step-stairs pattern to the upside towards the $50 a barrel, and we have $50 as resistance and the stochastic is in overbought region. Now let's look at gold. We can clearly see the downtrend channel and now we are at the resistance level in a sideways movement with a lot of inside week candles below $1,200, target $1,150, and then if we break those levels, we'll be going straight to the channel's support at the $1,000. This week, we'll be looking at Exxon Corporation's stock and see how we can profit trading XOM stocks. First, let's look at the monthly chart. Uptrend channel, bullish month above $90, buy, targets $110 at channel's resistance level. Stochastic entering the overbought region. This stock have a strong buy and a nice bullish swing. Watch out for $100 level. On the weekly chart, bullish week, break above $84 resistance, heading towards $90, and we have $92 at downtrend channel's resistance. The stochastic is in overbought region. On the daily chart, we can clearly see the progression towards $90 and then 92.50, region of the bullish channel's resistance. We'll wait for a break above $88. The stochastic is in overbought region. To buy, we can wait for retracement at 50 points of the stochastic or at the oversold region after a cross of the moving averages percentage K and D as a buy signal. Let's finish with the economic calendar. Monday, April 25th. US new home sales from March. Tuesday, April 26th. US durable goods orders month on month from March. S&P Case Shiller home price month on month and year on year from February. Market composite PMI flash plus market services PMI flash from April. CB consumer confidence from April. Wednesday 27th, Fed interest rate decision. Thursday, April 28th, GDP growth rate quarter-on-quarter advance Q1. And finally, Friday, April 29th, PCE price index, personal income and spending month-on-month from March, US care PCE price index, month-on-month and year-on-year from March, employment cost index quarter-on-quarter Q1, Chicago PMI from April, and Michigan consumer sentiments final April. That's it for today. Hope it helps. Trade smart, make money, take profits. Bye and see you next time.